Angela Crutchley created this really cute oracle deck called Nature's Messages from the Flower Fairies. These oracle cards are adorable. They come with a little guidebook, black and white. The cards themselves are actually in 4 different color suits: red, green, yellow, and violet. So you'll see different borders on the cards. They're a nice size card. High gloss. Shuffle's great. Let's see who's in here. Flower Fairies. We have Belladonna coming in with a message of silence. We have Honeysuckle, generous and devoted affection. So these are adorable cards. Michael Moss Daisy, farewell. Lavender has a message of distrust. So the guidebook is really insightful, I will tell you that. Violet, modesty. Ivy, marriage. Bearded crepus, protection. Snowdrop, hope. Passion flower, faith, religious superstition. We have rose, a message of love. And then we have yellow rose, message of jealousy. I don't know. That just makes me happy for whatever reason. Bethany, surprise. Lily, imperial. We have a message of majesty. Foxglove is in here with a message of insincerity. So I like that it's not just positive messages. Like these little flower fairies will call you out if need be. Holly, or warn you. Foresight. Chamomile, energy in adversity. Dittany of Crete has a little baby on it with a message of birth. Lupin or lupine is imagination. Hollyhock, ambition, an F word that means fruitfulness. Sunflower is false riches. Dahlia is instability. Mistletoe, I surmount difficulties. Garland of roses, reward of virtue. Traveler's joy, safety. Bluebell, constancy. Auricula, painting. Butterfly weed, let me go. So they're not your traditional things in this, and that's what I really liked about it. And obviously fairies and flowers. Marigold, grief. Iris, message. Pansy, thoughts. White poppy, sleep. Reed, music. Pimpernel, change. Buttercup, childishness. Crocus, abuse not. Lily of the valley, return of happiness. Love in a mist is perplexity. Daffodil, regard. Osmunda is dreams. Little forget-me-nots are all about true love, forget-me-not. Chrysanthemum white is truth. Amaryllis, pride. Magnolia, love of nature. Rhododendron, danger, beware. Daisy, innocence. Red poppy is consolation. American starwort, welcome to a stranger. Tulip, declaration of love. We've got dandelion, titled The Rustic Oracle. Rudbecca is justice, hibiscus is delicate beauty, and hyacinth is play, game, sport, activity. So let's get you a little message from a fairy. Which flower fairy was your favorite in there today? Which flower fairy wants to come out and play? We've got lavender with distrust. All right, that's fair. All right, that's fair enough. Okay. Let's just see what it says. I find it interesting that lavender has that message, and that makes me curious to read in the book. So the fairies pull back the lavender for the unseen to be seen. This card tells us of long ago when the lavender grew in countries with hotter climates, for lavender was said to be the dwelling place of the asp. Hence the need for caution when approaching this sweet, fragranced plant. This gives the explanation why the Victorians depicted lavender as distrust. So the asp is like a poisonous snake. Choosing this card suggests that you need to acknowledge your feelings of doubt about a person or current topic of conversation. You may be being told only partial truths or restricted in the information given in order to be deliberately given an unbalanced view. You are asked at this time to use your gut instincts to pick up signals and acknowledge and value your own suspicions to view the whole picture. Don't make any assumptions, but rather trust your instincts and ability to obtain all the information that is needed to make sense of the situation or person in order to come to a satisfactory or harmonious conclusion. Dang. So watch what people are telling you. I blame the news. Anyways, thank you very much, Nature's Messages from the Flower Feelings. Trust your instincts with lavender.